don't offer me anything. I'll tell you what I want.
Sure.
Can I have a junior Western bacon cheese?
A junior what?
Can I have a junior Western bacon cheese?
A Western bacon cheese?
Dude, listen. And give me 4 chicken McNuggets.
We don't have chicken McNuggets, sorry. Do you want chicken tenders?
And give me 4 chicken McNuggets.
I'm sorry, we don't have chicken McNuggets.
You know how you have the 6-piece nuggets?
6-piece? We don't have chicken nuggets at all, actually. We have chicken tenders. Is that what you mean?
Please, don't offer me anything. I'll tell you what I want.
Okay.
And I'm gonna go with a fillet of fish sandwich. Now, if you could take a Coca-Cola and just go half Coca-Cola, half Diet Coke.
Okay. Sorry, sir. We don't have a fish sandwich either. I believe you called the wrong number. Or Western bacon cheese, for that matter.
You know what I was thinking?
Yeah.
All right. Put 2 of them up your ass.